Making this video for the 1,000 or so of us left in the United States that have a blower motor for a HS250h. That's the blower motor right there. I'm just gonna share my experience of what the job was like. This piece I could not get off. Everything I read on the internet says you take off the panel underneath the dashboard, or the glove box. This is a glove box, and this is the piece. I could get it off on the left and on the right, but could not get it off in the middle. Ultimately, took this piece off. Maybe this is what people are referring to. There's a variety of wire connections that go into it, but it's the piece that goes up there. And then I used a mirror and basically located the three, so that's the connection going to the blower motor. That's screw number one. Sorry, there we go. That's screw number one. That's the connection to the blower motor. You follow this over here. This is weird doing it with the camera. That's the other screw, and then there's one back further there. But if you have a 5/16 socket piece, a little ratcheting wrench, you can, with the mirror, just remove the black piece, remove the three screws, the blower motor pulls down, you disconnect the black piece with the wires, push the new one in, and you'll see how it goes in, because you'll see this thing needs to mate up with it, but once it pushes in, it actually did hold without even putting screws back in. And then I am putting the last of the three screws right here. Again, 5/16 in my opinion is the best. You can use a star bit and you can use a long head, flat head, but 5/16 in my opinion is best. So anyways, that's how I got the job done. Took me a couple hours, but now that I know what I know, I could probably do it in 15 minutes. So hopefully this is helpful and saves you a little bit of time. All of you thousands of HS250h owners.